Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to create your own group in Facebook. Actually, that's very easy and simple tutorial. Just watch this video all the way till the end and I'll show you how. So yeah, let's move on. Let's show you how to do it. So when you're on your Facebook page, just click here on groups on right side of your page. I mean left side. Yeah, left, that's left. Click on groups, and from here you can actually join in some other groups, but just click here on create a new group, and from here you can choose the name of your group, the privacy, let's say public, and you can add some your friends, and let's say this group we wanna name I wait, I can run fast. Let's say like that. I can't run fast. Click on create, and as you can see, here is your group. Here you can post something, and also you can add your profile, I mean group picture from here like that, and try different image. Yeah, and that was it. If I helped you out, make sure give it a like, and also if you have some problems, if you have some questions, comment down below the video in the comments and I'll try to respond. And that was it, and see you next video. Bye.